So a few years ago, we had one of our large clients approach us and ask about helping them with a issue they were having with some of their audiovisual equipment. The issue happened to be a problem with the credenzas that were built to house the audiovisual gear. The manufacturer ended up putting ventilation units on the top of the credenzas with fans that would exhaust the heat from inside the units out into the space to cool the systems. The issue came when that the conference services, the people that were setting up food for these rooms and that kind of thing, they would utilize these spaces, the top of these credenza units, for food and beverages. And it became quite a bit of a situation. There was a lot of concern that at some point food or beverages would fall into the fans, and then you would have liquids leaking on top of the AV equipment and potentially ruining the equipment. So it could cost could cause a big problem and end up for some cost for the company. So they approached us and said, can you guys come up with a solution to this issue? And so at the time we had a guy that was on the team that was really good with Photoshop, and so we talked back and forth about some ideas on how we could resolve this issue. And so he mocked up some sketches in Photoshop to show kind of a ledge, how we would cover this area and make sure that food didn't fall into it, and so or liquid. And so we presented that back to our client. They said, wow, this is really great. Now do you guys think you can make this? And so that's typically not something that we do. We really aren't in the fabrication business, but we decided to reach out to a local fabricator and talk to them about it, and we were able to get someone to build our design, and then we eventually ended up installing those across the campus. And I think this is a really good example of how we kind of go above and beyond to do the things that our clients need us to do and to really help them out however we can.